There's a big misunderstanding when it comes to day trading. A lot of people think that you just have to get lucky and press buttons, but there's so much more to that. And trading is not luck. Trading is a skill that you learn over many, many, many months and years of experience. And when people say it's luck, that's disrespectful. Because to the traders that actually put in that time and effort, they know what it takes so they can get to that level. And for someone to put them down by saying, oh, it's like gambling, oh, it's just luck, it's a very misunderstood topic. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about why trading is not luck and how with enough time and dedication, you can become profitable and learn this amazing skill. So I just want to clarify, for the past week, I had COVID and I couldn't upload any videos. So to all the people that are asking, hey, when's your next upload? Sorry about that. I was literally having one of the worst experiences with COVID, but over that now, and I am 95% better. So let's get into this video. Trading is not luck. Now, how is this? Trading is a skill that you need to learn. And luck is just 50-50, right? When you go to the casino, when you gamble, even then it's not 50-50, but that's luck. Leaving it up to chance and leaving it up to random probability. But with trading, you have control to determine what trades you place. You have control to determine why you place those trades. So it's not luck. Trading requires a lot of dedication, as I mentioned before, and how you master this skill is through studying and practicing. Okay, it takes months and years to become profitable, and once you hit that profitability, once you see that success, it is absolutely amazing, and I wish it on every one of you because it is doable and you got this. So let me go over some important parts that I've learned over my experiences as a day trader and how you can overcome a lot of struggles and how you can make it so trading is not luck. Because once you figure that out, sky's the limit. So let's get right into it. You should not treat trading as a get rich quick scheme, okay? Because it's not. You will not get rich quick, and if you do, you will most likely end up losing that profit. So how you can actually overcome this mentality of just getting rich quick is thinking of trading as a long-term career. When you first start off in your entry-level job, you are not making shit. So trading is the same exact way. When you first start off, you're not making any money. You're even losing money most likely. So you got to think of it as over time, my salary will increase with enough time, work, dedication, and hustle. So do not get discouraged when you are not making money, when you're losing money, when you're struggling, when you're going through a hard time, because every single profitable trader has been through that. And the reason why they're profitable is because they're going through exactly what you're going through right now. So how can you overcome this? Trading both requires skill and strategy. You need to understand different indicators, you need to understand different patterns, different market structures, different ways that the market moves so you can capitalize on its momentum. Because currently the market is crazy. We are experiencing some very volatile times, and it is the perfect time to get into trading because you can catch some really nice moves, whether it's with futures, options, common shares, whatever. There's a lot of opportunity in every single sector as a trader. Now, as a trader, you need to focus on risk management. If you're treating this as a career, you cannot allow yourself to lose the capital that you need to trade. So you need to manage your risk, enter trades with an appropriate size, do not over leverage. I've mentioned this many times before because it's so important. When you're trading, the biggest downfall you will have is over trading, over leveraging, and risk management. So be careful and do not let your emotions get the best of you. Once you master that emotional discipline and once you figure out exactly what it takes for you to cut your losses quick, for you to not oversize. So what I recommend is start small. If you're a beginner trader or even if you're an experienced trader, you need to start small, or you need to continue trading with a smaller account so you can master that skill and become profitable, because the easiest thing for you to do is just increase size when you trade. That's only if you master your trading skills and really become an experienced trader. The easiest thing is just going bigger, okay? There's no reason why you should be trading with a large account size if you're losing trades, if you're losing money. So make sure you trade small, and as you progress and become more confident, then you increase your trading size, you increase your positions, you increase your account size. And that is when you start seeing some real gains. My biggest struggle as a trader is always thinking that if I start trading with a larger account, I'll make more money. But then I start taking bigger losses instead of bigger wins. And then that really hurts you emotionally, and it actually discourages you as a trader. So do not over leverage your account, because that will discourage you, and most likely you will end up not becoming profitable and giving up right before that big break in your trading career. So do not let yourself get discouraged by taking those bigger trades and losing, because trust me, I've done this many times and it does not work. Prove your skills before trading with more capital. Now, another reason why trading is not luck, because with the markets, Every single piece of information is data that you should absorb and learn from. And this will increase your odds as a trader. The more you know, the more you practice, and the more you trade, the better you become. Now, this is just like playing a sport or an instrument or any kind of talent. The more you do it, the better you become, which means it is not luck. Luck is just leaving everything up to chance. And with trading, you have the opportunity to build an edge and become better. To become an athlete, it takes many years of training, experience, playing the sport, and mastering everything there is to know. Same with trading. Do not let the first few months or the first few years discourage you, because it takes a lot of time to build up a skill, to become consistent, to become profitable. It takes a lot of time. And if you stop trying or you give up in the first few months or even the first couple of years, you're missing out on a big opportunity. So what I like to do is to understand that I'm in this for the long run. I'm not looking for short-term gains, because those don't mean anything in the big picture of things. If you make a couple $1,000s in an incorrect trading way, it's gonna build bad habits for you. And later down the road, those bad habits and prevent you from making a career out of this passion. Do not let yourself become cocky or overconfident as a trader, because that will hurt you in anything that you do. Whenever a person becomes overconfident and cocky, that is when mistakes are made. When you become an overconfident driver, that is when accidents happen, because you think you're the best driver, you think nothing will happen to you, you think you can avoid all the accidents. That is exactly when accidents happen. Same with trading. When you think you're the best trader, when you think that you always win and you came up with a really good strategy, that is when you begin to lose trades and you begin to lose yourself in the process. So do not let yourself become overconfident. Confidence is really important, but once you become too overconfident, too cocky, that is when you start blowing accounts. That is when you start making mistakes, when you become emotional, when everything goes south. So just stick to your roots. Do not lose yourself mentally, because trading is just a mental game. And the more mental toughness you have, the better trader you will become. Another thing I want to talk about is taking a look at really successful traders such as TJR or Alex G. I've mentioned them before because they've really proven to the world and to themselves that they can make it in trading, and with enough time and dedication, they became really wealthy and really successful with trading. So I think one of the biggest reasons why they became so successful is because they didn't look at the money when it came to trading. They focused on finding good setups and good trading techniques and just becoming consistent with that. So what this means is they didn't get emotional when they took losses. They took losses, moved on, and looked for the next A+ setup. And they kept their losses small, they didn't blow accounts. Obviously, they blew a lot of accounts throughout the process, and they blew a lot of money. After all that experience of them losing money and blowing accounts, they figured out that the key to not wasting your money and the key to preserving your capital is through just taking those losses, moving on, and finding better setups. Whether it's the same day or the next day or the next week, just forgetting about the losses and focusing on the next setup. Because their winners usually outweigh their losers by 3, 4, 5x. So it is important to keep your losers smaller and your winners bigger, so that whenever you take losses, you just need one good trade to make up for 3 or 4 losses, not the other way around. Me personally, when I used to trade very emotionally, I would take one really big losing trade. I would lose a few $1,000s, and then it would take me 4, 5, 6 green trades so I can make back that one loss. Now it should be the other way around. You should be able to take 5 losses and make it back within 1 or 2 green trades. I've really struggled with this, and I'm sure a lot of other professional traders and a lot of other people in this field have struggled with this as well. So make sure you focus on finding those good setups where you limit your risk, and when you lose, it's very small compared to your winners. TJR, I love that guy. He is super funny, and if you guys don't know him, you should definitely check him out. He's a character on social media, and he's proven that trading is not luck, because he used to DoorDash every single day so he can have enough money so he can fund his accounts. And then eventually, with enough dedication, time, and hard work, he made it work. Everything clicked, and now he's a multimillionaire. He lives part-time in Puerto Rico, here in Miami as well, and props to him. He's really funny, and he's a good educator as well. So you need to look up to people like this. Now, he might not be the best example for you because he posts some really out-of-pocket things, but he's a really good person that knows what he's doing in the trading field. So what I recommend is focusing on forgetting about the money and treat trading as a game, okay? In games like Call of Duty or Clash of Clans or whatever, you will lose. You don't give up on the game when you lose, right? Everyone loses their battles, everyone loses their fights or whatever. So whenever you lose, you either reevaluate your strategy or you just continue playing so you can increase your experience. So treat trading as a video game, and you will see that you need to stop looking at the money. You have to stop looking at your winners, stop looking at your losers. Just focus on finding good trades, executing properly, and improving your skills. I know I don't really talk about the actual specifics on day trading, but I do look forward to posting my strategy, to posting how I trade, what setups I look for. For the past few videos, I've just been talking about like the emotional and the discipline side of trading, and a lot of people seem to like these videos, so I hope that you take some value out of this, even though I'm not getting into the exact specifics of how I trade, but I will be posting my trading strategy and daily recaps in the future. I'm just getting into this YouTube field, and I look forward to increasing the type of content I post, and I will actually end up going live and doing some live trading for you guys. If that is something you are interested in, please leave a comment, and I would love to get into that even more. But for this video, I'm just going over like why trading isn't luck and how you can improve yourself to change your mindset so you allow yourself to reach your full capabilities as a trader. So I really appreciate you guys sticking around till the end. It really means a lot. Once again, I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded recently. I just recovered from COVID, so if my voice is a little bit off, that is why. But I'll be back into posting a few videos a week. And if you guys want to, follow my Instagram, my TikTok, and make sure to check out my link for Webull. I'm not sponsored by them, but if you make an account, we both get some free stocks. And I personally use Webull every single day for charting and for trading. So link is in the bio if you want to make a Webull account, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.